is up, guys? This is Aman from Tech NY9. Today we have the JBL Charge 4, and today we have the black version, okay? I love JBL. Let's unbox this thing with my trusty knife, and we're gonna actually listen to this thing at different volumes to see what it sounds like, alright? So if you guys have headphones, go ahead and put those on. We're gonna see what this sounds like. Let's unbox this thing, okay? So this is how it comes. It comes in a really nice box, okay? The box is pretty heavy, okay? It's really, really nice quality. The plastic is on top. Let's take the plastic off of it. Alright, there we have it, guys. Check this out, okay? Really, really nice, okay? It's a Bluetooth speaker, okay? It has amazing quality sound, in my opinion, okay? Lots of bass for a compact speaker. Now, this speaker, you can pick it up for $130 on Amazon at the moment in black, okay? They have different colors. Some of them go for a little bit less. Some of them go for a little bit more. But it all depends on the color that you get, okay? This speaker has so much to offer, in my opinion. You can't go wrong, okay? It comes with basically the USB charger, okay? USB-C to USB charger. And that's all you get with it, okay? That, speaker, and a couple other things. So let's unbox this. Look at how this is presented, okay? Beautiful, beautiful animation, amazing pictures. Look at that. The box is quality, okay? So you can actually travel with this if you want to travel with this. This is a travel size speaker. Let's take a look to see what's inside the box right now. So we have the quick start guide and we have the charging cable. No brick with this, guys, okay? Long gone are the days where you used to get the brick with your products, okay? Now if you need the brick, you have to buy it separately, alright? So this is how it is. Life has changed now. Nobody's giving you all the extra things, alright? This one's really nice because it actually shows you different colors of this product, JBL Charge 4. You can get it in any color you like. They have so many colors. Personally, I like the black one, but I also like this almost like a blue, sky blue. It's a really nice color. I love this color. Probably would get that next if I were to get another one of these. This does act as a power bank. Alright, don't forget, so you can charge your iPhone with it if you like. Here's the cable that comes along with it, okay? Here we go. So it's a USB to USB-C. Alright, so that's nice that you're able to get the quick charge, and you're able to charge this pretty fast, okay? And it's also IPX7 rated, so you can go up to 1 meter for 30 minutes if you like, all right? So, you know, that's a few things about this product. Why don't we try to listen to see what it sounds like, okay? By the way, guys, this is a 7500 mAh battery, which is really good for actually taking it for long term and can give you a quick charge for about 4 hours, okay? You can charge the battery from 0 to 100 in 4 hours. That's pretty nice. And music playback, you can play up to 20 hours, depending on the volume that you guys play it at, okay? I'd say 20 hours, probably 50% to 60% volume, okay? If you're going to go max volume, you're probably going to get around 10 to 8 hours, okay? That's just the honest truth. If you're gonna go max volume, you're not gonna get that much out of it. All right, so just keep that in mind while you're listening. 20 hours of battery life. Let's see what this sounds like. Okay, we're gonna play a little bit of tunes and we're gonna listen to see what it sounds like. Here we go, guys. Tell me what you guys think about this. 50% volume. 50% volume, guys. $75 volume. $100 volume. Max volume, guys. Max volume. Woo! That sounds nice. Just to give you guys a little bit of a different taste, here we go. We're going to go into a different genre. Listen to this, guys, and tell me what you guys think, okay? Here we go. 50% first, then 75, and then 100. %. %, volume. Max volume. All right, people, what did you think? Did you guys like the sound coming out of this? What did you think about the bass and the clarity? Leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. In my opinion, I am truly in love with JBL products. I love the way they sound. I love the way they feel and look. just the way they sit around in your office space or even in your home. It just looks nice and classy. I like it, okay? Rugged, strong, and waterproof. It does come with this app that I'm showing you guys on the screen at the moment, JBL Connect app. It lets you change the name of the Bluetooth speaker to whatever you want, and also it lets you basically change the actual sound that's coming out of the speaker when you first start it. When you turn it on, you can actually turn that sound off completely, which is how I have this one now at the moment. So what do you guys think about this video? If you guys did like this video, definitely subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me. I love all of you guys. Thank you all the believers in believing in me, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.